Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Okay, this is the problem is very important in NEET and mains and advanced level students. Okay, in this previous video, so many applications of work done by force is very important topic in this mains and NEET level. So please watch these videos and subscribe to my channel. Okay, first problem, find the work done in lifting a stone of mass 10 kg under specific gravity 3 from the bed a lake to a height of 6 meter in water. This is the direct formula for the one of the application of work done by a force. First to write the given data. So very important. The mass is equal to 10 kg. 10 kg. The acceleration due to gravity g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. And the height of the water in lake h is equal to 6 meter. That formula, the work done is equal to mgh into 1 minus dw by ds. dw by ds. In this one suffix s. dw by ds, then w is equal to mgh. Okay, once in this one substitute the above values. 10 into 9.8 into 6 into 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3, the density of water is 1, the density of gravity of the stone is 3. Then w is equal to 10 into 9.8, 98 into 6, 2 by 3, 3 ones, 3 twos. W is equal to 98 fours, so 4 threes, 4 eights, 32. The total 392 joule. This is the problem. Very simple problem, students. In this one, this is a direct application. The W is equal to mgh, work done process, work done in a force, work done by a force. W is equal to mgh into 1 minus d2 by d1. That is the direct formula. In this, d2 is the density of water, but d1 is the density of a stone. That is the value 3. Density of water is 1 gram per cc. Okay, it's very important for NEET and mains level. The next second problem. Discuss second problem. A rod of length 2 meter and a mass 0.5 kg is fixed at one end and allowed to hang vertically from a rigid support. Find the work done in raising the another end of the rod until makes an angle of 60 degree with the vertical. Then g is equal to 10 meter per second square. First to draw the diagram. It's a very simple problem, direct formula based problem. So this is the one of the application of work done by a force. So making an angle theta. The rod of the length, here m is equal to, in this problem, 0.5 kg. Length is equal to 2 meter. Then g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Then work done by the formula w is equal to mg l by 2 into 1 minus cos theta. W is equal to mg l by 2 into 1 minus cos theta. The work done is equal to W, work done 0.5, mass 0.5 into acceleration due to gravity 10 into L 2 by 2, 2 meters length 2 by 2 into 1 minus cos. The theta value, theta is 60 degree. In this 60 degree, theta is equal to 60 degree. Cos 60. Then work done W is equal to 0.5 into 10, 5. 1 minus 1 by 2, cos 60 is the 1 by 2. Then work done is equal to 5 by 2, 5 by 2, that is equal to these two cancel, remaining 2.5 joule. This is a very simple and very important problem for IIT, JEE and NEET level. Okay, next to third problem. Now third problem, when a rubber band is stretched by a distance x, it exerts a restoring force of magnitude F is equal to ax plus bx square, where a and b are constants. The work done in stretching the unstretched rubber band by L is very important problem for NEET and JEE mains aspirants. Okay, in this one, so work done in stretching the rubber band by a distance dx, stretching, that is a change in length. Then in this problem, dw work done, dw is equal to f dx, f is equal to, that is the equation, ax plus bx square into dx. So integration both sides, integrating both sides, the work done is equal to integration 0 to L ax plus bx square by into dx. So integration 0 to L, the limit, the rubber band length, initial length 0 to L, that is equal to a x square by 2 plus b x cube by 3. Integration applied, then ax square by 2 plus b x cube by 3, and the limits are 0 to L, that is equal to a L square by 2 plus b L cube by 3. This is the answer. Work done, a L square by 2 plus b L cube by 3. This is the answer for the third problem. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. This is a very important. In this channel mainly focus on JEE mains and NEET level students. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.